So fam, I hope everyone's well. Today I have a video that is featuring BGMgirl hair. Y'all already know how I feel about some good curly hair. Today's unit is a water wave 26-inch pre-cut. Do you guys see that lace? Do you see the pre-plucked arization? This wig is ready to go straight out the pack. Let's get into it. The inside cap construction comes with an elastic band, no combs, so keep that in mind. However, you won't need combs because this wig is completely glueless. That's right, it comes straight out the package, beginner friendly, no skills needed, no glue, no spray, no gel. Now y'all know I do love me some good adhesive and reinforcement, but for the sake of this video I'm only going to use mousse to melt the lace. I feel honored because I get to try BGMgirl Hair's updated 4x6 lace. It gives you the frontal look with less work. It can be worn in a middle part or a side part. The key selling point for this wig is that it is ready to go straight out of the package. This install is how the wig will look as soon as you take it out the package. I did not wash it or anything in this clip, but stay tuned to see how it will look once you wash it, and also I'll be rocking it in a side part as well. However, this straight out the package look, I didn't need any hot tools, no adhesive as you guys seen. It's just ready to go. Very effortless. If you have an event or any special occasion that you need a unit that you can pop on and go, BGMgirl Hair has you covered. Check my description box for all links to purchase and a direct link to this wig and all the specifications, because this wig is definitely a hitter. Woo! This 26 inches is inching, okay? You get all of your length with this wig. This is 100% human hair. You see that it's soft, bouncy. Yes, easy to style straight out the package. It's a winner. And I love this natural texture that it came with. Absolutely gorgeous. Day 3 of me rocking this unit, and y'all know how I like to typically do my reviews. Now I like to give you guys an in-depth full-on review, showcasing how the hair is going throughout 2 to 5 days to a week. Well, today is day 3 and I'm trying to cap it off right now because I got other things to do. As you guys know, in the first segment that was a straight out the box install in the middle part. Now I have it in the side part. This wig, I have it in a glueless method, and I just co-washed his hair, so it's still a little wet. This is how it's looking. I feel like when you get like curly and water wave hair, you really want to see how it reacts once it has been shampooed and or co-washed. So here I am. I'm going to go into my curly hair routine, and then we'll keep going. So you want to rock the wet look? Your girl also has you covered. I'll have both of these products linked down below in my Amazon storefront, because when these two products meet some great quality water wave or curly hair, you're gonna achieve the perfect wet look. Your curls will be popping. They will be very just luscious and hydrated, and it will stay defined and it will have that wet look all day. Do you see how the brush is gliding through this hair? Oh, it's giving. This wig is designed for you to save money, so you can give the glue and the hot tools a rest because it's not necessary with this unit. Now, of course, you can use all those things if you would like, but if you're the type of person who feels like, get somebody else to do it, I don't have all that time to be investing in getting my hair situated, then this wig is perfect. If you're a beginner and you don't really know how to do all those steps, then this wig is perfect for you because it's going to save you time and money with this pre-plucked, pre-cut lace. The unit lays flat straight out the package, as you guys saw in the prior clip, and this hair is affordable. You can get different lengths, whatever suits your heart, and as you guys can see, if you want something very long, you can achieve that as well. I'll have BGMgirl's hair information in my description box. Shout out to them for collaborating with me. I truly appreciate it, and most importantly, I appreciate you guys for tuning in to my channel today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Y'all stay prayed up. Stay blessed. Bye. Mwah.